Hello, family. Welcome back to our lovely community. Please, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe for more exciting and creative questions. Okay, thank you. I hope you subscribe to our lovely channel. So, with this, you can say that this 40 you can express it as 2 multiplied by 20. Okay, 2 multiplied by 20. All into bracket exponent 20 on 20 exponent 40. Okay, so which is equal to, now this we can also express it as 2 exponent 20 multiplied by 20 exponent 20. Okay, on 20 exponent 40. Okay, so now you can also say that 2 exponent 20 multiplied by 20 exponent 20 on this, you can say that 20 exponent 2 times 20, okay, which is the same as the 40. So which is equal to 2 exponent 20 multiplied by 20 exponent 20 on this here can be written as 20 exponent 20 bracket squared. Okay, so which means that our 2 exponent 20 multiplied by 20 exponent 20 over this is the same as 20 exponent 20 multiplied by 20 exponent 20. Okay, so you can see that this 20 exponent 20 can cancel this out, leaving 2 exponent 20 on, so 2 exponent 20 over 20 exponent 20. Okay, now we can express this, okay, as 2 on 20 all over, okay, into bracket exponent 20. Okay, because they're having common exponents. Okay, so 2 over 20 exponent 20. 2 goes into self, 1 goes into 20 10 times. We are having 1 on 10 exponent 20. Okay, which is the same as 1 exponent 20 over 10 exponent 20. Okay, so 1 exponent 20 is the same as 1 over 10 exponent 20. So this is our answer for the expression. Okay, so we will be able to simplify this in the simplest 10. Please don't forget to subscribe for more if you enjoy this video. Thank you.